yes. Yeah. The vetting has begun. Yes.
Of CS nominees.
CS nominees. Of course, there is that committee, the House Committee.
Togoragio ni speaker weta.
Yes. Ndio inuwa inawapiga nini? Msasa.
Ndio kupiga msasa.
Ndio hiyo sasa. Ni kwa kuhogwa kweli.
Kuati kuhogwa.
Yes.
No reke tuge no gwithurimu.
Ni guthurimu ikiro. Ndo kuhogwa mahuriza another thing, it's an investigation.
Mahuriza is serious grilling.
It's interrogation. Yes. Maraki hogwa.
Ni manjiria na CS nominee. Motahi wa Kagwe.
Yes.
Mukorona.
Noini. But guy with a decorated academic track record. And also comes with loads of experience from previous governments and several, other public positions.
He has been more koretwo in holding public offices.
Yes.
Level ngurani.
Yes.
So sio mgeni kwa uongozi.
Sio mgeni. Hata wengine wanamuuliza maswali ni wageni sana kwa
sana. Tiga no haria is a man of decorum.
Yes.
No amafundithie.
There's a time Matiang'i gave them a dress down. Actually Matiang'i I don't know what they were talking about. I don't remember quite. But there's a time are grilling. Conversation yake yake ile hadu igituika gatagati yake na speaker.
Agade dia seto vingi yo CS interior kurio horo ciuria cia docket ya interior.
Yes.
No riu amuria magikinya handu magituika overwhelmed.
He mundu ngitwarwo kahunge onawe na gweciria ni waria wega muthuri.
Ta point yo wabia nayo ri
muthuri ni ndreciria no tuthiete wega. Tuthiete wega na gwĩcio na yake tu no ni marona ũguo. Rĩu gwĩciria tutitigetie maũndũ maingi. There is the griller and the grillee. Yes.
Yes. For one, he was an MP. So timogeni na bunge.
Yes. And a very vocal MP. Yes.
Anakorwo waziri hĩndĩ ya thirikari ya Mwai wa Kibaki.
Yes.
Anakorwo waziri hĩndĩ ya thirikari ya Uhuru.
Yes.
Rĩu nĩ acoka rĩngĩ gũbetwo atuĩke waziri rĩngĩ.
Yes.
So
he's in very familiar waters. Very familiar territory. Na kwĩ ndĩ waziri matagirĩragwo tene.
Maũndũ mau marehirwo nĩ gatiba ĩno njerũ ya 2010.
Yes. Tene matiagirĩragwo.
Tene mũnene akũmũrĩka ũguo rĩ. We nĩ kũnyua mumo gathi na mbere na wĩra.
Warehagĩrwo bendera gwaku. Ũkero mũnene tũmĩgathĩke ha.
Kana ngari ĩgoka ina bendera.
Moka gwaku. Ũkero mũnene. Surprise.
Nayo yatua kũmonyoka yamonyokaga as fast.
It was as surprisingly as it came. Ayuwa mohoro madha mwaja. Mtukufu Rais Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi amemwachisha kazi waziri ni bla 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 mara moja. Dereva kuratiri ni wakeigwa
ukwenda nguiga hangara
munene ni waigua wagituika. You actually understand there is someone mari metha-inĩ ĩmwe ya president magithura nominees aria mangĩendekithio na aria megũbutwo akineo base aria megũbutwo akirwo tware VOK rĩtwa rĩake nĩrĩo rĩarĩ rĩa mbere.
That is not good.
Uyo kenake wale waziri atigetie andu ere aneane speech ri ugitangathwo MC akimwira gwicirio kuheano inspirational quote. So things things have changed
a lot.
yes so we are grilling CS yes
no korio nginya hindi na wari wabici fulani kaundu geke kire terethera
yes amu corona nginya ni horo wa makatero because you know in the agriculture ministry there are cartels and I think that cartel question has sufficed for far too long
kiugo ni kihuthangiritwo guku
cartels and cabals yes na gwete ni oke makiraci wega ani wiri atiriri ni warugamite ari avia center akihorota akiga this house is full of cartels. We are going to dismantle the cartels in this house. So similarly,
Jiguire Junet Muhammad akimuria.
Yes.
Na nikiuria oragia mawaziri mothe ma appointwo docket-ini yo ya Girigaca.
Yes.
Akimurona ni ngukuria. Are you aware what you are getting yourself into?
That was his answer actually. I was the one who pointed at Avia Center and stood in front of it and said, this house is full of cartels. I'm aware. Because cartels fight back. Yes. And they do. And they don't give up easily. Yes. But there was also interesting. Eta watu wali in the judiciary.
Sholei.
Boss Sholei. Ake muri horo na gweta kaundu very interesting. Auga andu aria ingi muno metagwo farmers bururi uyu. They are averagely 65 years old and above. Amuri ukurehe muthoni wa wanja na Stacy.
Gen Z aya ali.
Na
millennials.
Yes. And nenda kithia kaundu very interesting. Gucokio kwa the 4K club. Yes.
Ejiguira hueta cia 4K club. Ate ona kile mu 4K club.
Yes. 4K club yari an agricultural club that was very influential.
Na maba makaganyana na speaker weta. 4K club ya minaga ate.
Ona ivyo tutimenya which K was first. Tondu yari kuungana, kufanya, kusaidia Kenya. Kuungana,
kufanya,
kusaidia
Kenya.
Ndio during that regime ni akoro kuketi kukura kumaliza Kenya.
Kugana na kupora.
Already ya 4K ni kwa porwa wega. That was quite interesting.
Very interesting.
Yeah, the last of us who were in the 4K clubs. Ni atumo tuke excitable. Eka oduka ukore mi. Ono wangi yaga project gaku. Never mind, it was not a very popular club. But on 4K, their signature was gumboots. Onado na tokofo. Na tofuti.
Na reki.
The only thing ya tomado made 4K club rate. It could afford you time outside the class during class hours.
Uthie shamba.
Yes. Nimo mwamuka ugate muhea muda maetha inya. We na
wagithie tuta-ini.
Na watering can. Yes. No kwa ni ona tanyo ni iraria muhea wa gwaku. We ona we kadara me yakana.
No, it was a good thing.
No, it
was. Concept ijega.
Yes. Agwezide ngicokio ri. No, I create buzz next excitement. Nige agriculture ri. I think it's the earnings ni chire haga thini. Tondu Gen Z ya na youth ri. Kindu giothe kirarehe mbeca ri ni marugagira ihenya very fast.
Muno.
Yes. Toro wa cryptocurrency. AI and what have you. Yes.
Kona kibarua.
Yes.
Wacha tugoje tuone kama thondiro nake agakuhituka.
Tiraithi.
Chances cia kwa kuhituka ndirona.
Niagwetire shage.
By the time ngutiga guthikiriria kindu inyanya tigitie ndeka inya ri.
Yes.
Ndagukinyireire ha shage.
Uthoni ha shage niagwetete sofa. Tukimenya mutai itu akinyitie gatui.
Ndigutigitie agwetete shage.
Ndakora twe wira we ihinda.
No ti nene no miaka iri na gacunje kanini.
Ni ihinda inene. Ukiriano.
Ukiria kuma muhuko.
Ukiria kuma muhuko ri. Nä akorwo tå wä ra ihinda we ona ngwäciria akiuga ha networth nä tå ragweta change rä no uge nä må kä ndikoretwo ndä handå
ngoretwo ngä hangio guo
no gwä tungumania
ona ndä rakoretwo ndaiga kanimo bindi harä a må kå rwe-inä
ndä acietie kå ra cienta igä rä na tå ciringi ndatigä tie tå kuaä andå nginya agå thi
na icamara njiguire akiuga nä atwara kahåa gä thä inga icamara
å rä a gwakata no nä å hå thå mathima hamwe na kata
nä å hå thå nä matwarä te kahåa hamwe na kata
aitha ngarä auge mä aka ä rä ndigä koretwo ndä handå ciana cia ngai koguo ndiambatä te må no kariboti karä a ndamwete rita rä a må ico rä nyongerete o tå tatå tå twä tå mirioni magana matatå na nä å rä a bå rå ri å ikarä te
nä kwä hinyanä rä ria
ingä ikarä te wegega
ningä ona nä tå indo ndaigä te tene tå gaciarana kidogo
ngå ndå ndoete na guo piabi
na tå buroti twä rä nyanyukie
na kå ndå ndakä hetwo irima ndondo rä a må thanga koguo ndikarä te wega å guo
no å kä ragwo matukå ma kå rä ma marä oho ndirä må kå rå
no må tahirä I can bet you å cio to gå thakä ra 1 point
bende agä tie
ningä ti må thå kå mi wa ira
aca
må thå kå mi wa ira yes
he has been around for quite some time
yes
so ndagä tie
no ngwete kuma manana
hau å guo
kwambatä rä ra yes mbogo nayo rä
Kabogo is next after Mutahi.
Yes. Onake agweta ri no ekwenyenya
onake nä akuga ndakoretwo wĩra kwa ihinda iraya
onake ndoĩ kũndũ ũngĩoya mbeca ta tara tũraria ũhoro wa andũ matarĩ mahihinya star ĩrĩa ya kũrora bonga point
na Fuliza.
They have never even opted in. Gĩtũ ngĩrutwo na kũu ningĩ ũroka kũhandwo mbeca cia andũ na ndũcirĩ tondũ hau hatirĩ mũndũ ũkũhũthĩra ciugo ta mbere na thutha mbere nyuma
hii ndio niko nayo
ũguo no ngie haha rĩu ndĩ ĩna ngũ ya mau
ya matano Mundu na kwenda kumenya uria thiangite kuma avetwo ni CSO wa mai.
Yes.
Etagwo Eric.
Uyu waugite nginya ndari mutokaya.
Ndo nyende kumenya sofa magikinyanitie hana ndeto.
Ari ko kwa mai.
He is still around in water.
Uyu ni akirite. Yakirite. We
aganda miario.
Ndamiri. Wĩcia no ti ahingũrago uakainuka. Ũndũ kĩna macabi ma maĩ
na ũkĩna control ya mĩini rĩ.
Yes. I see what you're doing. I see what you did there. Hi, well in.
All the best.